Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through some quick fixes for your TCL Roku TV remote that isn't working. If you find yourself unable to control your TV, don't worry. Follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Step 1. Check the batteries. The first thing you should do is check the batteries in your remote. Sometimes the issue could be as simple as dead batteries. Open the battery compartment on the back of the remote and replace the old batteries with new ones. Ensure they are inserted correctly, matching the plus and symbols. Step 2. Power cycle the remote. If replacing the batteries doesn't work, try power cycling the remote. To do this, remove the batteries and press any button on the remote for about 20 seconds. This will help discharge any residual power. After that, reinsert the batteries and check if the remote is responsive. Step 3. Reset your TCL Roku TV. If your remote still isn't working, you might need to reset your TV. Unplug the TV from the power source and wait for about 10 seconds. Plug it back in and power it on. Sometimes a simple reset can resolve connection issues between the remote and the TV. Step 4. Repair the remote. For Roku TV models that utilize a pairing process, try repairing your remote. First, remove the batteries from the remote again. Next, on your TV, press the pairing button inside the battery compartment while reinserting the batteries. Hold the button for about 3 seconds until the pairing light starts flashing. This should reconnect your remote to your TCL Roku TV. Step 5. Use the Roku mobile app. If none of the previous steps worked, consider downloading the Roku mobile app on your smartphone. This app can serve as a remote control for your TCL Roku TV while you troubleshoot the physical remote. Launch the app, connect to your TV, and see if it allows you to navigate. Step 6. Check for obstructions. Make sure there are no obstructions between your remote and the TV's IR receiver. Sometimes objects placed in front of the TV can interfere with the remote signals. Clear any obstructions to ensure a clear line of sight. Step 7. Test with another remote. If you have access to another Roku remote, test if it works with your TCL Roku TV. This will help determine whether the issue lies with your original remote or the TV itself. Step 8. Contact customer support. If you've tried all the above steps and your remote is still unresponsive, it might be time to reach out to TCL customer support for assistance. They can provide further troubleshooting steps or guide you through potential repair options. Thank you for following along. If you found this guide helpful, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on your TCL Roku TV and other tech devices.